how to edit Shopify header. So if you want to quickly go ahead and edit your Shopify header, here's what you're going to be doing. So you're going to come over to your online store. And once we go over to the online store section over here, what you're going to want to do is it's going to give you this section which says themes. You're going to click on customize. And once we click on customize, it's going to load in this section. Now in this section, you're going to click on the header section. And in the header section, what we're going to want to do is we can easily go through the different widgets and icons. So here you can change your main logo. You can bring it in the center, bring it to the left. You can turn it into a mega menu, a drawer menu, a drop-down menu, whatever you want. And you can even change the color scheme. So let's say I want to turn it black. There we go. So these are the different things and ways you can change your header and edit it differently. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.